Okay, I've done the soldering. I put a little bit of the Loctite blue tack in there to hold those legs of the transistor in place while I was soldering them all. So let's test it before I close it back up to make sure it's working. Put it on the diode mode, and let's see, we'll do positive to base, negative to emitter, let's flip it over, it'll be easier to do. Okay, positive to base, negative to emitter, we get that 0.71 again, positive to base, negative to collector, 0.70, positive to emitter, which is the bottom one down here, negative to base, we get the 0.0L, positive to collector, collector is up here, negative to base, 0.0L, positive to collector up here, and negative to emitter down here, 0.0L. Okay, so it looks like everything is working as it should. And we'll put the project back together and see if it's working. Oh, we'll pop this back together. Let's see how easy this works out. So let me get my blue tack off of there. Everything seems to be secure. We'll pop this cap back on. It protects. Yep, it popped right back in. This is how you would remove it. There's small clear tabs there. You just have to push it in and push it out one at a time and pop them out. And this should be able to just pop hopefully back in. I might have to stretch it out with the small screwdrivers. We got that one in and that one in. Okay, no problem. There we have it, our repaired NPN transistor. We'll put it back into the circuit, which is the, let's see, it's called the Project 31 Light and Sound. Everything looks like it's in place. Yep. And so now we have a working transistor once again. All right, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy your snap circuits. And remember, if you're a photographer working with Canon or Nikon mirrorless or DSLR cameras, be sure to check out my full stop camera guides. Thank you for watching. GoPro, stop recording.